Alright, well, this lighting is not very great. We are getting ready to go cut down a Christmas tree for the first time. What do you guys think? No? Not amused? I swear they're excited. So we are going up to northern Arizona. Well, it's like an hour and a half hour. Oh my gosh, this lighting, sorry. It's like an hour and 45 minutes away, and it is supposed to be really chilly. So it said the high was supposed to be like 50, which here that is cold. It gets down into like the 30s at night, so that's cold for us. So we've got the girls all bundled up, and we are gonna go do this. Wish us luck. Babe, are you excited?
Yeah.
About to cut down our first tree. Are you girls excited?
Yeah!
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Okie dokie.
I'm excited.
All right, what do you think, Ryan? Got your chainsaw?
I think we get this one.
Yeah, let's take that one. That should fit in the truck. All right, we found the tree.
Let's
do this.
This will take all of about 2 seconds.
Here goes Clark Griswold over here.
Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, my leaves are so unchanging. Finally green when summer's here, but also winter's cold and drear.
Look at Daddy got our
Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, my leaves are so unchanging. Oh Christmas
That thing is a lot
tree,
bigger than
oh
it
Christmas
looks.
tree, much pleasure thou canst give me. Oh Christmas tree, much pleasure thou canst give me. How often has the Christmas tree
The lumberjack at work.
the greatest glee?
I worked really hard.
Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, much pleasure thou canst give me. Oh Christmas tree, thy candles shine so brightly. Oh Christmas tree, oh Christmas.
All right, hello you guys. So it has actually been a couple days since we brought our tree home, and we have it set up in the front yard, and it looks so cool. I'm very glad we decided to put it outside because it just, I don't think it would have looked right in the house. It's pretty big and it's kind of bare. Trees were definitely not what I was expecting. Like, I'm from the Midwest, so I'm used to seeing like big, like full trees, and these were definitely not the same, but it is so cool. So my husband has set up some lights on it, and we have, like, we're gonna make like a little tree farm. So I'm gonna show you guys right now. It is during the day right now, so I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like now, and then tonight I will get a little video when it's dark so you guys can see it all lit up. Okay.